I'll show you the easiest way to get the Grammarly widget back on your device. Sometimes the Grammarly widget might disappear, and it can be frustrating when you're in the middle of important writing tasks. Don't worry though, getting it back is a straightforward process. Let me guide you through it step by step. First, if you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to start by heading to the System tray, which is located near your clock at the bottom right corner of your desktop. You might see an arrow there, which is the System tray arrow. Click on that arrow to reveal more icons. You're looking for the green Grammarly logo among these icons. Once you spot it, right-click on the logo to bring up a menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Grammarly Settings window, where you can tweak a variety of options to customize your Grammarly experience. Next, you'll want to look for the tab that says Block List or Blocked Apps. This tab is crucial because it's where Grammarly keeps a record of applications or websites that you've previously blocked from using the widget. It's possible that the app or website you're trying to use is on this list, which is why you can't see the widget. Once you're in the Block List or Blocked Apps tab, carefully scan through the list of blocked applications or websites. If you see the app or website you're currently trying to use listed there, you'll want to remove it. To do this, simply click on the entry, and you should see an option to either remove it or simply delete it from the list. Go ahead and do that. After you've removed the app or website from the block list, it's important to refresh your app or browser tab. This step ensures that the changes you've just made take effect immediately. Once refreshed, the Grammarly widget should reappear, allowing you to continue using its helpful features such as grammar and spell checking. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully restored the Grammarly widget on your device. Keep in mind that these steps are specifically for Windows users, and you might need to follow different procedures if you're using other operating systems or devices. A quick tip for the future. If you ever find yourself inadvertently blocking an app or website again, simply revisit these steps. Keeping track of your block list can save you a lot of time and hassle. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you're now able to enjoy the full functionality of the Grammarly widget once more. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy writing!